Hi guys, welcome back again in another video. Guys, how are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great. Well, happy weekend to you all. Yes guys, today in this video I will be telling you how you can stop an evil dreams not to come to manifestation. If you're the type that always see yourself dreaming bad dreams, horrible dream, terrifying dream, always at night, then this particular video is for you. You know, some people, whenever they dream bad dreams, that dreams will even come to manifestation. Some, the bad dreams that they normally dreams happened in reality than the good ones. And I know that has become the problem of some people. Yes, bad dreams tends to come to manifestation than the good ones. And I am here to tell you how you can solve that problem. Okay, if it's your enemy that has been sending those dreams to you, so that whenever you dream such bad dreams, before you know it, even if you pray, that dream will come to manifestation. This particular recipe will help you a lot to stop that dream not to come to reality. I know, yes, to dream is good, but we are not praying for the bad ones. Okay, some people, when they dreams, especially these bad dreams, that bad dreams, before you know it, before 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you see it's coming to reality. That is not good at all. So if you are here, you have been battling with such for years, for months, and you have been going from deliverance to deliverance, you have been praying, you have performed so many recipes, and yet you are still experiencing such. Now I want to bring this good news to your doorstep, because this particular remedy works very fast to stop that. Okay, so if you want to know, then keep on watching. So I want to use this opportunity to welcome all my new subscribers, my new followers, those that have been subscribing for like 2 weeks or 3 weeks now, that have been following me, have been subscribing. May God Almighty, may God of the universe, may He bless you, as you are always coming to watch me on this particular channel. Yes guys, very soon, before I go on, very soon I am going to be launching a particular channel called Husband and Wife Family Matter. Hey, in that particular channel, we are going to be talking about, our life, how we started, how we met, 1 or 2 challenges, and a whole lot of things. That's going to be, we are going to be ranting a whole lot of things on that particular channel. So stay tuned. All right, so guys, yeah, let me just come back again to the main topic, the reason why I am here. So to stop that particular dream not to come to manifestation, you only need one ingredient, and this ingredient, everyone has this ingredient in his or her home. So let me show you what you need to use to stop that particular bad dream not to come to manifestation. You need onions. Guys, this is onions. Now, the type of onion that you are going to be needing, it might not be this big. It will not be this particular size. You can try to use smaller size. All right. So the reason why I prefer smaller size to this, like me, I know I'm not the type that eats onions raw. I don't like eating onions raw. I don't like it. I don't like the smell. So all you have to do is this: when you wake up from that dream, and then you notice, not only this particular recipe will stop the bad dream not to come to manifestation, it will also make you to be remembering those dreams. Where sometimes when the dream you don't remember, that is another problem, that's another case. So this particular recipe will solve 2 problems: stopping that evil dream not to come to manifestation, and then making you to remember all your dreams. All right, so all you have to do is get a sizable onions, the one that you can eat, and then when you wake up from that sleep, all you have to do is this: you pray like this, that any man or woman that has been sending these evil dreams, so that when you dream it, it will come to manifestation in your life. Even if you pray, that particular bad dream will come to manifestation in your life. That whosoever that is sending such dream come to reality in your life that today that you are destroying by the name of God Almighty. I don't know if you're getting me. So after that prayer, then you open the onions, you wash it very well, you open it, and then you cut it into 4 places, and then you eat it. Make sure that you finish it. Okay, you can just get a sizable, just a little one, this little tiny onions. Make sure that you finish the onions, but make sure that you cut it into 4 pieces, and then chew it before talking to anybody. Chew it before washing your mouth. Chew it before greeting, in fact, your family, your spouse. And then after chewing it, you are free to go anywhere you want to go. And I'll tell you, you are not going to be dreaming bad dreams again. And the one that have already dreamt will be cancelled automatically. Guys, this is reality. This is very, very effective for such. And it can also work for those who doesn't remember their dreams at all. All right. So guys, that's it, just the end of the video. See you on my next episode. Do have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye.